Dongguan Weineng Machinery Technology Co., Limited, is committed to the solution of pre-coating and laminating for drum label. The company's main products are high-speed pre-coating laminating machine, roll-to-roll label hot laminating machine,
varnish laminating combination machine,
high-speed laminating inkjet platform, roll-to-roll label embossing machine, multi-function automatic cutting table, multi-knife paper cutting machine, high-speed slider, and other printing peripheral equipment. Strong technical force, advanced technology. The use of high-precision spare parts, products sold throughout the country and exported overseas. The company adheres to the business philosophy of sincerity, being a person, and innovation, with the management policy of precision. Comprehensively improves the performance of products. Delicacy and practicality maximizes customer satisfaction and provides customers with the most satisfactory equipment, services, and solutions. To this end, we strive to build an efficient team integrating R&D, production, sales, and service to build a pioneer in the industry. So as to achieve the strategic goal of brand value and give better feedback to customers and society. The company adheres to the development concept of humanization, science, and technology, and the tenet of honesty creates brand, quality wins customers. We sincerely cooperate with customers at home and abroad for a long time to create brilliance together. We sincerely cooperate with customers at home and abroad for a long time to create brilliance together.